Here are some beam shots of the Olight i3T starting off at 5 lumens. Switching to 180 lumens. It's pretty bright. Those short trees over there, they're about 25 to 30 feet away. Big tree around 50 to 60 feet away. Here's the stairway to my small room upstairs. A decrepit house. It's an old lady living there. Some motorcycles. Mango tree around 50 feet. Maybe 30 feet. Yeah, about 30 to 40 feet. You're back at 5 lumens. CRI is very nice. It's not a bluish tint, unlike most Olights that I've had. That's about it. 5, 180, 5, 180, 5, 180.
I think this flashlight is great. It's very simple to use and does not cost that much. Just 2 modes, low and high, enough for simple tasks. Feels great in the hand. It's lightweight and that tail switch is just superbly executed by Olight. Feels so nice to just look around. If you still don't have this light, get one. If you're into user-friendly and simple lights, you'll not regret it. It also runs on a single AAA, which means you can easily procure them during emergencies. If you're into preparedness, then this light is for you. Now, there are just 2 things I wish Olight integrated into the i3T. One is the ability to tail stand. Second is a mid-mode of somewhere around 25 to 40 lumens. Not a deal breaker, but would have been nice to have those integrated. Well, that's my opinion about the i3T. I hope you enjoyed watching, guys. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.